Passwords are a great problem. Sometimes you forget them, and sometimes you fear others knowing them. So, what is the solution? Well, this is the solution. This app called ScreenLock Time Password. What it does is changes the password every minute, and it makes easier for you and harder for other people to crack it. So, let's begin. Okay, so now go to your Play Store and search for this app. So click on the search and search for Screen Lock Time Password. So Screen Lock. Okay, right there, Screen Lock Time Password. So click that, and this one right here in the front is your app. So click that and now click on install. You can even see that this app is just 9 MB. So that is not a lot of storage. Okay, so now open the app and as soon as it opens, first of all, enable the lock so that it starts functioning. So as soon as you click that, it will ask a recovery passcode. So I'll just type my school which I used to go. So LPHSS. So that is done. Now I'll click save, and another thing which you want to do is disable the device password, so which was your previous set. So click on that, put your password, and that is done. So it is disabled. Now I'll first show you a preview. So I'll click that, and now you can see, so the time is 3:38. So I'll just type 0338, and you can see it just turned on. And also you can customize your lock page, such as you can add different wallpapers, such as right there down. Okay, so I'll select this one and okay. So now you can see that my wallpaper has changed. So I'll click on preview, and there you go. See, my wallpaper just changed. So 338, okay, 0338. There you go. And also what you can do is change your styles and style and themes, such as this first one is the iPhone kind of that, and this is the normal one, and you have many more fancy ones. So just select any one, and also you can hide the icon, maybe if you want to hide it from your friends or something like that. And lastly, let us just test it whether this works or not. So the time is 3:52 right here, so 0352. Whoa, it opened. Let's try again. So now it is 3:53, so 0353. Wow, so this really works. Now a minute later, 3:54. Let's try the last time, and 3:54 right there. So 035 and 4. That is like awesome. This works all the time. So now you don't have to worry about your password getting stolen, because it changes every minute.